Many of the websites may want to open up another window or page depending on where you visit. And by default, these kind of options are turned off, which is also known as pop-up blocking. So by default, the pop-up blocker is actually enabled. If you want to enable, it is disabled. So if you want to enable it for some reason, then you can go around onto the three dot button right here, and then you can go around under settings. So once you go around under settings right here, you can go around onto cookies and site permission over here, just like this. So once you do that, over here you can see that pop-ups and redirects right now at the moment is allowed, as you can see right here. So you can go around and block it out as well. So now you can see that you can block it out, and from every site right here, the pop-up will be blocked. So let's say you want to block out pop-up for from some website. Let's say, for example, you want to block pop-up from yahoo.com right here. Then from yahoo.com, all of the pop-ups will be blocked out. But let's say you want to enable a pop-up from certain websites, then you can go around over here onto add right here, and then simply go around and type in www.microsoft.com right here and click on add, and from that particular website the pop-up will be enabled. And if I were to go back, then you can see that pop-up is in block state right here, and then but it will allow Microsoft.com. But if I were to go around and disable this out, then the pop-up is pop-up and redirects are allowed, but it'll block it out from yahoo.com right here. And that is how you can enable and disable pop-up blocker in Microsoft Edge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.